Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to change out the spark plugs on your Can-Am Maverick Trail or Can-Am Maverick Sport. Now these have V-twin engines. You've got a cylinder in the rear and a cylinder in the front. We're going to start with the rear cylinder, so that's by your passenger side rear wheel. And all you need to do to get this job done is get 2 new spark plugs. These are available on our website. And we also need a 5/8 inch spark plug socket and a plastic rivet removing tool. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Starting out with the rear cylinder, there's a little plastic clip holding the spark plug wire. I'm gonna pop that out of the way and then remove the spark plug cap. Then using the 5/8 spark plug socket, I'm gonna remove the spark plug. Over time, this electrode will wear down and it will have a round corner when that happens. A new spark plug can help restore performance. Another thing to look at is if you see signs of oil on the plug, that can indicate a worn top end. And you can see this one isn't too worn down, but we're gonna show you how to do this anyway. So right here, we have our new spark plug and there's a little metal cap on top we need to remove. The other thing to know about NGK spark plugs, they come pre-gapped. So now we can reinstall this. I'm gonna start by threading it in by hand and then just snug it down. After that, install your spark plug cap, then put your clip back in place. If that broke, make sure you use a zip tie. Now for the front cylinder, we're gonna remove the seats. So the cushions, they just pop up and pull out. Then we have an access panel. You're gonna have plastic rivets all the way around that. We'll just use our plastic rivet removal tool to take those out and remove that panel. Now I'm going to remove the spark plug cap and use compressed air to blow around the spark plug to make sure we don't get any dirt in there. And then we'll remove it and install it the same way we did on the back. With that replaced, we'll reinstall the access panel and our seats. That's it for replacing the spark plugs on your Can-Am Maverick Trail or Can-Am Maverick Sport. If you need these spark plugs, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. If you want to see more helpful content like this, like basic maintenance items, you're going to want to subscribe to our channel and watch those videos. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.